I bought this cider press on Facebook Marketplace about a year ago. I think I paid about 35 bucks for it. It was in pretty rough shape. Most of the wood was rotted, broken, busted, or just falling apart from age. It was pretty rusty, and a lot of the moving parts were not movable. So I wanted to take it apart and basically rebuild it from scratch. So that's what I did. In this video, I kind of walk us through that, and I kind of show you how I did that. So this is a piece of honey locust that I milled on the sawmill about a year and a half ago. It's 2 inches thick. It's 12 and a quarter wide, and it's about 67 inches-ish long. We're going to get it planed out and shaped up, and we're going to start cutting out the supports we need for the sides and the legs of this press. This board was too big to run through my shaper, and a little too awkward to try to run through the table saw to get it square. So I figured I'd throw it back up on the sawmill and square it up on there, and it ended up working out pretty well. All the main support pieces are cut to length. They just need to get their final details and cut out. All of these components are made out of the honey locust for strength and rot resistance. This flood table, though, I made out of red oak for the acidity from the food that's going to go on it. It should help keep its life a little longer. I soaked these in vinegar to give them a nice patina. Gotta get some goodies to finish this press out. I made these barrel slats out of the red oak as well. And there's the finished product. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and share below.